deed, that is what I'm living for. With you and me, no reason for being lost. Everything I could need, I have within me. With you and me, my vision is plain to see. In you, I found me. In you, that's where I live.
Identity is what you gave to me. Change, man, I'm a living vessel of a deity. I realized I was the one that you were calling by name. I was down in the dumps, but you loved me the same. Wasn't married, it was all by your grace. Called out, I thank you, Lord, for the day. I say my prayers, thank you, Lord, for the day. I say my prayers, I give thanks to Yahweh.
Your will, my deed, that is what I'm living for. With you and me, no reason for being lost. Everything I could need, I have within me. With you and me, my vision is plain to see. In you, I found me. In you, that's where I live, Your word is my illumination, guiding me through life, showing me the revelation of your kind of life. A life of peace and joy I find in you. Blind seeing again, lame walking again. Holy Spirit within, I'm walking in your will. Your will, my deed, that is what I'm living for. With you in me, no reason for being lost. Everything I could need, I have within me. With you and me, my vision is plain to see. In you, I found me. In you, that's where I live, No one and nothing can separate me from your love. No one and nothing. From below or from above, no condemnation. You and I have become one. No one and nothing. No one and nothing. The bond that we share cannot be severed. Never. You made that clear when you sent Yeshua. Oh, the depth of your love cannot be measured. The price you paid, Lord, no one can measure. Whoa, your life and nature, I got it. I got paid, love, I got it. No more striving, no worries. On the cross, Lord, you bore it for me. Set me free from all the burden. No more weight, now I'm sailing. In you, Lord, I'm winning. Whoa, no one and nothing can separate me from your love. No one and nothing. From below or from above, no condemnation. You and I have become one. No one and nothing. No one and nothing. Me and you forever in every weather. My God, you're all that matters. So I will keep you centered. Oh, you are the song I sing. You are the fire in me. You and I, one body. Your life flows in me. Your life and nature, I got it. I got paid, love, I got it. No more striving, no worries. On the cross, Lord, you bore it for me. Set me free from all the burden. No more weight, now I'm sailing. In you, Lord, I'm winning. Whoa, no one and nothing can separate me from your love. No one and nothing. From become one, no one and nothing, no one and nothing.
Everything that you've done,
everything that you've done, oh yeah, yeah. Everything that you've done, thing that you've done, my God, you are so good. For everything that you've done, where would I be if it wasn't for thee? For the things that you do, Father, I thank you. For the things that you do, Father, I thank you. Everything you've done for me, can't tell it all.
full of grace and love for me, you gave it all.
Everything I'll ever need, I have and more. I have and more, 'cause you gave it all. Everything you've done for me, can't tell it all.
Full of grace and love for me, you gave it all.
Everything I'll ever need, I have and more. I have and more, 'cause you gave it all. Everything that you are, thing that you are,
Father, I love you for everything that you are.
all of my days I will worship and praise. King of the world, your glory fills this place. Glory fills,
Glory fill,
King of the world, your glory fills this place.
oh yeah,
Your glory fills, your
glory fill.
King of the world, your glory fills this place. Everything you've done for me can tell.
Yeah. First giving honor to God, to Miss Carol who had first brought me and my moms, to the church where I know I ain't been in so long. I just pray that when I call, they still pick up the phone. Yeah. With judgment coming from all angles, I'll never defend myself or approval from strangers when they don't give a damn about my kids. So you ain't gotta pray for me, just pray for them. And pray for my mama, pray for my sis. We miss my granny, we need her at times like this. To think I prayed for the world to be back open, just to lose both of my grandparents to COVID. And pray for every one of my little cousins, who was really more like sisters and brothers. I gotta thank them for sharing their dad, cause growing up he was really all that I had. You know, growing up at a young age, my pops got deported to Jamaica, and my uncle stepped up and was the father I never had. So when I say like, gotta thank my little cousins for sharing their dad, they really shared their dad with me. He was the father figure I never had. And he really part of the reason why I am the way I am today.
Yo, what up, chat? Happy Wednesday, everyone. How you guys doing? Happy Wednesday. Drop some energies in the chat. Let's go.
So pray for me, pray for YG, pray for PC, pray for TC, pray for Reem, Ace, Jade, and Clean, India and Ty, forever be the squad. Gotta pray for Teddy, gotta pray for Lays. Big S and Lil S, I love them both the same. They're a big part of the reason why I didn't bang, and that's a big part of the reason I'm still here today. So pray for Miko and pray for LMA. Everything we done together kept our family straight. Pray for anybody rocking the 10 Summers chain, and any other homies that I didn't name. You know, it's a lot of homies I ain't naming shit, man. Pray for B-Wade, a real childhood friend. Pray for Noah, my assistant, man. Pray for Shako, the handicapped foodie. Pray for my engineer, David. We've been in this motherfucker day in, day out, blood, sweat, and tears for 5 years. Pray for my niggas, Day Day and Glove, man. Them niggas kept us safe so many motherfucking nights. Pray for my nigga Uno, too, man. You know, I can't do this shit without thanking that nigga K-Dot, man. He came through, swang through with the #1 right before the album drop. I ain't even need no rollout, so you gotta pray for him. Pray for Auntie Diane, Roddy, and Kiefer, too. And last but definitely not least, you gotta pray for all my kids, Kai, Connor, Cody. Most definitely gotta pray for the apple of my eye, the love of my life, Brittany. And BB McFarland, the newest addition to the family. And even if I ain't say your name, you know what's up with me. I pray to God direct my steps on this path I'm going. Give me peace of mind so that I stay focused. Give me discipline so that I keep going. To the gym even when results ain't showing. Lord, give me the faith I need to move mountains. Give me financial freedom, know that there's no accountant that's more able than you. There's no problems on this earth greater than you. And if it's your will, then let me do everything that I was created to do. Help me change lives, like you changed minds, like you changed moms. How could I forget how you made a millionaire out of 15 cents? With $1 in a dream, wasn't always what it seemed. Sometimes I couldn't see, but I still believed. And then you made it real, you gave me everything I need. And all I had to have was the faith of a mustard seed. So the point of this album is to have faith. No matter what field of work you in, no matter what you're doing in life, have faith in it and believe in it at all
What's
times.
up? What's up?
And especially having God in your life first. Because in a world full of the devil doing God knows what, as long as you keep God first, you'll be all right. I've always had the ultimate confidence. I've always believed in myself.
What's up, Raze? What's up, JC? How you doing, guys? How you doing?
When I was making this album, man,
How you
I went
doing?
through different titles and about 100 different emotions. And I just remember a conversation I had with Nip when he was doing Perfect 10. He said, man, you should name your album Faith of a Mustard Seed. And at that very moment, I didn't know exactly what he meant by it, but I knew it was something out the Bible. When I went and I did my research on what Faith of a Mustard Seed meant, it says that with the faith of a mustard seed, God would allow you to move mountains. And I feel like where I come from, I moved just about every mountain that was in my way and still moving them with the faith of God. You know, when I was young, you know,
We're
when I
still
first gave my life
moving.
to God, to Miss Carol, who at first brought me and my mom's, you know, that was like, that's a real thing. You know, I moved from the jungles to West LA, and I met this lady named Carol and her son.
All right, chat. How you guys doing? Good morning. What's up? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. What's up, everybody? Let's see who's here today. Let's see who's here today. 9 viewers. What's up? Shout out to you guys. If you guys can type in the chat so you guys can, you know. Type in the chat. What's up, Aryan? How you doing? Oh, what's that? Violet. What? I don't know what's that. It's like a crown with the number 1. Interesting. New icon. All right, let's see who pulled up today. Let's see. Shout out 10 viewers right now. You can type in the chat. One, two, three, four, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. No, we're just ranging around now. All right, who's ready for today? Type ready in the chat if you guys ready. We're gonna do top-down analysis. Type ready in the chat. All right, so let's start with the weekly time frame. So the weekly time frame are starting to react now on 3358 area. So we moved 245 pips already on, because as you can see, we talked about this yesterday night on the NY session, right? And I told you guys that we need to see reactions minimum here because we're tapping some resistance on the left here, right? And then right now, as you can see, we tap, react, and right now we're just pulling back a little bit. And I don't know if this price gonna move down now or gonna push through further up, right? But right now, we still have 2 days and 13 hours for this candle to close. But anything can happen. Tomorrow we have NFP news, and today we have news too, ADP. So this one will give you volume, and tomorrow is an NFP. Friday is NY US bank holiday. So I don't think on Friday, yeah, on Friday I don't think that it will close early on the chart, probably on the market. But yep. So let's drop down to the daily time frame. So the daily time frame just open up here. We move just 182 pip. And in the lower time frame, I see the 1 hour we're just, ranging around. So we have support form now here, and then we have like the minor resistance up here, and then the candle close above the range, but the candle has no bottom wick here. There is a high chance that this candle gonna be grab some orders, enable for you to push further up. You need to see orders here topping this zone, liquidity grab, enable for you to push up. So let's see if this candle gonna tap the liquidity down here or gonna push further up now, because we see that close above the range on price, right? So that's the daily. We have still range going up. We still have clean range here, right? We have gap here, so technically we'll fill the gap probably today or tomorrow. Let's see. So for our time frame, all right, the 4 hour time frame, we're just creating market structure resistance here, support here, and the price is just ranging here. 4 candles are just ranging because we probably gonna see move on the news probably tomorrow. Yeah, normally when the market, when the market sorry, when the month is open up, and then we have upcoming like big events, big news. Yeah, the price probably, especially the 4 hour time frame, they're just ranging around, right? And then it's really, I'm not saying it's really hard to read the price, but if there is a clean range, you guys can trade that. I can trade that too, but it depends where the price gonna headed, right? But right now we don't have. I don't know where's the price gonna headed, right? We need to see close probably below, enable for you to push further down, right? Like this, because we have clean traffic here on price. So this is the clean traffic that needs to be filled if you wanna head down, right? But if the price don't want to head down and then react here, there's a lot of volume. Yeah, they're probably gonna do this, or here creating some structure here. You need to, at least you need, because we see that in the 4 hour time frame some rally moves, right? This is the rally move. And if I'm gonna replay here, there's no structure yet, right? There's no structure yet, even though you close above the range here, right? You need to see at least retracement, enable for you to push further up. Structure, yeah. Higher highs, higher lows, higher highs again. You need to see that. That's why right now, as you can see on the price, we're creating some market structure, highs and lows, highs and lows. So yeah, that's the 4 hour there. 1 hour time frame of 1 hour creating structure, resistance, and support right here. Any close above, it's good for buy. Any close below, it's good for sell. So yeah, 30 minutes is the same. We're creating some ranges, resistance, and support. Any close below, it's good for sell. Above, good for buy. So if we're gonna drop down to the 15, yeah, it's the same. Okay, so it's the same. Boom, boom. So right now, this is gonna be range, man. Massive range. Cool. 160 pip range. Right now I don't want to take buy because the stops is 79 pips. Should be stops here, and we're in the middle of the range. Mm, mm. If this candle close like that, yeah, we're probably gonna give it a shot. Oh, 39 pips only, so I don't know if I'm gonna take that, but yeah, probably waiting time, waiting time. By the way, how's your trading journey? I mean, if you guys are following me in the last 6 months, how's your trading journey right now? Are you guys learning? Are you guys making profit at least? Or you guys are break even? Are you guys adapting still on the stream? I start streaming January, February, March, April, May, June. Yeah, it's already 6 months. So I hope you guys are learning every single day. And believe me, man, even though people don't want to show up in my stream, I don't care, right? I am gonna show up, right? Because in trading, me versus me and you versus you. Keep in mind, if you wanna learn, you need to learn, right? If you wanna learn, you need to find a way to learn. Struggling po pa rin, coach, being disciplined. Being disciplined, bro, being patient, following your rules is outside of the chart. Here's the key thing, all right? Hear me. So, I never talk this about in the live stream. Right now I'm gonna share you something. So, if you want to be disciplined, if you want to, at least be consistent following your rules, following your plan. Psychology didn't build in the chart. Psychology isn't built in trading. Psychology builds outside of the chart. How you gonna do the routine every single day? For example, once you wake up, what you gonna do? You're gonna fold your bed, right? You're gonna wash your face. You're gonna make a coffee, whatever. That's how you're gonna build the discipline. That's how you're gonna build your routine. First, you need to build the routine that it follows you every single day. For example, I'm going to the gym, right? I hit the gym and then I eat clean. I eat my protein, whatever. So from there, I build already my routine. I build the discipline that if I apply this on the charts on trading, it's gonna be the same. So I have the same discipline what I'm doing outside of the chart, right? Because it's a routine, right? Does it make sense? So if you wanna apply the discipline and patience to the market, you need to build outside first of the chart. All right, build outside of the chart, build your discipline, build the patience, whatever, and then apply it on the chart in trading. And then from there you're gonna realize, oh, you are applying the patience and discipline you followed on the outside of the chart. Does make sense? Because you meant psychology didn't build in trading, it built outside. So you need to adapt, right? You need to adapt that. That's how you're gonna practice it. Some people didn't teach this. Some people didn't say this to the other trader because they wanna, they wanna see that if you know, right? So my mentor didn't told me about this, that I need to apply my psychology outside of the chart. I just figure out by every single routine that I do in the past, right now, in the past 6 months. So I develop myself, man. That's too many. Even even if even you don't like to show up, but man, you need to show up, even you don't feel like it. Because everyone always asking how to avoid over trading, how to avoid FOMO, how to avoid greed. It's part of psychology. You need to build first outside of the chart, outside of trading. And if you're working, yeah, I probably suggest hop onto the chart at least 1 to 2 hours per day. They say to make something a routine, you have to make yourself do it at least 30 days straight. Yep, for it become your normal routine. I think try to do is at start. Yeah, it's true that. Yeah. Right now, you start following. Right now, I would say start following your plan today. Write something in the notes or notebook or phone, whatever. Write something that you're gonna do like today, and then tomorrow do it the same way, right? Do it the same way. It's all about practice. Progress takes time, okay? Progress takes time. Patience takes time. uh, I it took me 1.5 year to become patient like this, and I haven't blown any account right now. When I start trading 6 months a year, yeah, there's too many conflict things that I did. And then I'm always keeping saying to myself that, oh, I'm gonna follow my rules next time. I'm gonna follow my rules next week. I'm gonna follow my rules today. But I didn't follow, man. Because I haven't create a routine every single day. Then when I create the routine, from there, yeah, I see some results. I see some consistency that I haven't blown any account, any funded account. And then 1.5 year become a funded trader, right? And one thing, don't compare yourself to others. Don't compare your chapter 1 to someone chapter 10 already. Right? Don't jump into different chapter and chapter and chapter like that. It's gonna ruin your process. Be patient, stay consistent. Stay true to your process. Oh wow, close above. I mean close bullish. Close bullish. But for selling we have range. So yeah. So if you want to follow your routine, if you want to be consistent, discipline, patience, yeah, make a routine and then follow it. Start today, gang. Start today. And then yeah, consistency, stick to your own time base. Yeah. So make a routine now. Start today, and after a month, after 2 months, come back to me and then tell me the results. No one can tell you, bro. No one can tell you these things. No one in the past of in the past of 2 years, no one tell me this kind of psychology, this kind of routine. You need to make routine, whatever. No one taught me this. I just figure out myself. Right now, I'm telling you guys, this is for free, man. I'm telling you guys, this is for free. And if you don't follow these things, I don't mind. That's up to you. But for me, I this is work for me. Because look at on your past, like if you're still not making any progress, now you ask yourself why you're stuck in that situation. Now you ask yourself why I'm still in this chapter, why I'm not progressing, right? It's not because of the strategy, it's not because of following your plan, it's because of the psychology, probably. Because it's easy to follow the plan, but the question is, do you follow your plan, right? Some of the people, they want to make more money, right? But they want to make more money, and then but they don't want to see some progress, like over time. They don't want to see hell. They don't want to see hell first. They don't want to see the rock bottom first. They want to go to the top of the mountain, top of the range. Trading, man, trading is so hard, bro. Trading is so hard, but don't quit. If you start trading right now, don't quit, bro. If you feel that, oh, this trading is not for me, man, no, trading is for you. It's just take time. There's too many people right now quit trading, especially in the community. The people right now doesn't show up. It's not showing up. They stop. 100% true. I struggle with it from time to time. Yeah. It's easy to say something, but it's different thing to really do it. Talaga, coach. Yep. It's really a lot more with 80% psychology and 20% trading. Yeah. But don't quit trading, man. Don't quit. Don't quit trading. And I would say show up every single day. Show up, show up. Make sure, guys, you do the routine. All right, you start today and then come back to me 1 to 3 months. Like you have probably 3 months or 2 months to take the process, to take the step, right? And if you make the routine, apply it into trading, and then come back to me, message me, coach, I'm doing this, I'm doing that, blah blah blah. Yeah. You see some results, man. You will see some results there. You will see some results, not in terms, probably I would say not in profit, but I would say in patience into trading, into discipline into trading. Like you're waiting for the setup now. If there's no any setup, you're following your plan like that. 7 minutes. 7 minutes. Yeah, for kind of close. We are in the middle of the range. 54 pip move going down, and we move bearish. Probably 4-hour close bearish, but the 4-hour need to grab orders here first. I need to see liquidity here. Probably on the NY, or I don't know, maybe this time now. No liquidity yet. You need to re-break the high. No, for it to push further down. You trade NY today? No, probably. I trade yesterday, but no setup, so didn't touch anything. Probably tomorrow NFP. We like NY session tomorrow NFP. We want to see some fireworks tomorrow. Drop in the chat if I can, live tomorrow NY, or yeah, drop it in the chat, guys, if you wanna. But I'm not gonna trade the NFP pops. No, I'm not gonna trade that. I'm just gonna watch the price. Where's the price gonna head in, and then after, if we have setup, we're gonna take that setup. But if you guys like to stream NY, yeah, I'm gonna stream NY. NY session tomorrow. Yeah, let's see. 30 minutes is about to close. Bullish. We still have range going up. We have minor levels here on 15. 4 hour, 1 hour. 1 hour is ranging around here. 3 minutes. $55 pip range going down. Bum, bum, bum. London session ranging again. Bullish closure. No volume. 60-day ceasefire during which look at the Egyptian will have work. Chad, how many trades you got already this week? Like Monday to Wednesday. How many trades? How many trades you got already? Drop it in the chat. One zero trade is probably my first. If we have one, oh nice. Yeah, probably I got two trades already this week. Monday and yesterday on NY. Shout out 23 viewers right now. Chat, make sure you like the stream and subs to the channel. Like the stream, gang. One. Nice, nice. No worries, bro. No worries. Patience, patience. We're heading up. We're heading up, but anytime this price can react here. The candles 15, no volume. No volume. Boom, 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 boom. Go the maybe flower hyalurose forming, yeah. If we see this form, yeah, probably gonna give it a shot. Bearish move, bearish volume, bearish candle. Yeah, probably gonna push down with a big body, right? This body, we need to see big body. Beef buddy. Do, 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 do. Chat, if you have any questions, let me know. Drop it in the chat. Re-break the high, okay? It's gonna be cool. Oh, 45. 12:45. Last 5 minutes. Last 15 minutes candle. Three minutes and 32 seconds. If this candle close bearish, yeah, like this, probably gonna give it a shot here. Entry on the re-break of the low. Because the good thing here, you re-break the high, right? Once you re-break the low, yeah, we'll see pops down, creating lower highs because this structure has been respected, right? Respected, didn't top here. So high, low, high, low, high, low. 2 minutes, gang. 2 minutes and 41 seconds. Re-break the lows there, ready? Okay. 30 minutes will pops down. 1 hour will pops down. 4 hour will go down. Okay. Let's see. Oh, small body candle. Small body candle. Cute. No Benos gang. Small body. Buddy buddy. Is that considered a yam? It's not doji, but I'm not gonna interest on this candle and on the next candle, because if we wanna take sell, at least we need to see this kind of candle. See this big body. You're gonna measure the how many pips is the body. So 15 pips. The wicks is just 3 pips. So yeah, that's consider you a good body candle with volume. And then after that, as you can see, once we close bearish, we know that we have range on price here, clean range. Re-break of the low, the entry. As you can see, we move down. So that's how you anticipate that. With the small body, I'm not gonna touch anything. I'm not gonna touch anything on this. If this candle close with bearish again, yeah, probably I'm gonna interested on the next candle to move down, because this candle is a 30 minutes candle bearish. All right, and as you can see, boom, it's probably gonna look like this. If the candle closed bearish, this is how you correlate with the lower time frame, and then 30 minutes time frame, 1 hour time frame correlation. Re-break the lows. Pushing through. As you see, chat, you re-break the lows. There you see move. Clean range. 49 pip, 50 pip range. 10 minutes for hour close, 1 hour, 30 minutes close, 15 minutes close. Boom, 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 boom. Wow, we moved down. Wait for us, gold. Wait for us, man. 8 minutes. 8 minutes, gold. Wait for us. Chat, if this candle close, bearish like this, yeah, we probably gonna we're in the trade now, but didn't close. That's why we need to sit with our hands, right? We need to be patient. We need to wait for candle to close bearish and able for us to take trades. Because this candle, anything can happen on this candle. This candle can flip bullish now and push through here on the top of the range. But if this candle melts now, so the probability is finished because we filled the range already. Now the bus, we missed the bus already. So now we're gonna wait for a new bus to come. That's how you're gonna play with the trade, with your trade. If this move down, I don't have any FOMO. I'm not gonna get FOMO here. Oh, it's moved down. I should take those trade. No, I'm not gonna take any FOMO here. I'm done with that. I'm finished with that chapter. Mhm. 6 minutes. How many years you trading? Coming 2 years on September. Coming 2 years on September. You become profitable after 3 months. No, bro, I become profitable after 1.5 year. I'm not saying profitable, making profit, a lot of money. No, it's all about consistent. How you be consistent making profit in a month and quarterly, and it's not that much. I'm good paying my rent, my bills, monthly bills. And I would say if you're saying the profitability, yeah, man, the 1 million US dollar is coming. $1 million is coming, bro. I feel it. So if you wanna ride with me, just show up in the live stream. I feel it, man. If you wanna learn, just show up in the live stream. If you wanna learn, ride with me, bro. Trade NY2. Let's see. I'm learning from Nick. Yeah, Nick is good. We're in the same mentor, and he's really good in terms of his tactics, his trading style. We're similar in terms of trading style, but yeah, he's very good. His leadership is good. All right, we're melting, re-breaking the lows here once again on the 30. You're in this community, bro. You have max alloy? Not yet. Um, I need at least 200k more for max allocation. All right. Yeah, cool. Cool, cool. One hour is gonna be chop here. But we have weak fills. 4 hour weak fills. Re-break the 4 there. Yeah, we probably gonna see that. 30 seconds here, gang. 49 pip stops. Top wick. We just need to wait the top wick. Top wick. And this is good closure. But I need to see top wick. Top wick. And then flip bearish. Boom, 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 boom. You enter this. I need to see topic. Re-break the high, and then once you re-break the low in the current candle, I'm probably gonna put sell limit there. Can you re-break the high and re-break the lows again? Because once you re-break the high here and then fail, re-break the low, yeah, this is probably gonna melt down. I need to see re-break the high again. One more time. I'm gonna re-break the high and then we're gonna put the sell limit. Four hours time to come up. Yeah, we're probably gonna see the top wick. All right, you re-break the high there. So I'm gonna put sell limit on the re-break of the low again. So once you re-break the low, yeah, it should be good. It should be good. It should be good. Chat, sell limit, all right? Not execution sell. Sell limit. I don't like for our is trying to flip daily to create a bottom wick to move up. Yeah, probably. But the daily is still struggling here to move to flip. Right? Here's the thing. The 4 hour, as you can see, we have resistance here. Support probably down here. And then the 4 hour close bearish. Close below the range. So expect top wick before driving down. And it's 4 hour time frame too. It will take time. Right? It's not gonna happen probably in 1 hour, or probably the next 2 hour will flip down and then push further down. That's the 4 hour. And the 1 hour, yeah, the 1 hour is trying to chop around here. As you can see, 3 candles chop around, stuck in the range. We cannot do anything here on price. That's why I don't want to take sell on the week entry, because we're still bullish. As you can see, we're still stuck in the range. So you need to keep in mind, okay? Stuck in the range, still bullish. Even though we have bearish move, but the price still consolidating here. 30, yeah. We probably gonna see 15 ranging around, printing side by side. 4 minutes for candle close. If this candle close bullish, I'm gonna remove the buy sell limit. Oh, for totally different to forex. Yeah, I'm not trading futures. I'm in CFDs. And I don't have plan to change yet. I'm still new. I'm still, I'm still in the progress. So I don't wanna take futures. Dun, dun. 3 minutes for candle close. No buenos. We're just ranging around. Removing sell limit chat. This now will go down. This now will go down, man. Yeah, we're probably gonna we're gonna range today. And we see directions hopefully on the NY. In London, nothing here. Nothing in London. Nothing. 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 All right, so we close bullish again. So yeah, chat. Probably gonna call it a stream. No Benos for us today. Yeah, probably we're gonna ranging around here. So yeah, again, I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. I don't know if we're gonna do what they call this, NY or London. So yeah, let's see. Who wants to do London? Who wants to do NY? Drop it in the chat. Let's see. Who wants to do London? Who wants to do NY? Drop it in the chat. Because tomorrow is NFP. So let's see who wants NY. Okay. Who else? Let's see. Drop it in the chat, man. If you guys want to do NY, want to do London, or probably bot. Wow. 2 session in a day, huh? I wanna know, coach, how you analyze NY. Oh, okay. Okay, let's do the NY tomorrow. So yeah, chat. Gonna see you guys tomorrow NY session. So yeah, love and wisdom to you all, man. If you guys gonna trade later on tonight, make sure you have stop loss. Don't over trade, don't over raise, gang. All right. Gonna see you guys tomorrow. Peace out, man. Peace.
That's that shit. So if you gon' do it just like this. Did you realize that you are a champion? You don't see just how wild the crowd is. You don't see just how fly my style is. I don't see why I need a stylist when I shot so much I can speak Italian. I don't know, I just want it better for my kids. And I ain't saying we was from the projects, but every time I wanna lay away or deposit, my dad'd say when you see close your eyelids. We was sorta like Will Smith and his son. In the movie, I ain't talking about the rich ones. Cause every summer, he'd get some brand new hairbrain scheme to get rich from. And I don't know what he did for dope, but he'd send me back to school with a new wardrobe. And I think he did when he packed it up and brought it back to the crib. Just a little something, show you how we live. Everything I wanted, man, it seems so serious. That's that shit. So if you gon' do it just like this. Did you realize that you are a champion? When it feel like living's harder than dying. For me, giving up's way harder than trying. Lauryn Hill said her heart was in Zion. I wish her heart still was in rhyming. Cause who the kids gon' listen to? Huh? I guess me if it isn't you. Last week I paid a visit to the institute. They got the dropout, keeping kids in the school. I guess I clean up my act like Prince do. If not for the pleasure, at least for the principle. They got the CD, then got to see me drop gems like I dropped out a PE. They used to feel invisible. Now they know they invincible. Hey.